Here we've got the speed adjust. Faster. Notice it's gone up to +10, 139 beats per minute. In the middle, back at 0, 126 beats per minute. At the bottom, -10, 113 beats per minute. What's important to understand here is the range here, plus and -10, we can change with this button. There's a tiny little label there that says plus and -10. If I change that, we've now got plus and -16. Wide, which is +100. 252 beats per minute, or so slow that it's actually basically not moving. And then ±6 on this unit. Plus or -10 is my favourite, but a little tip right now for mixing later on. If you move a long way from the intended speed of your song, it's not going to sound that much like the song it's supposed to be anymore. This button, at the moment, as we speed up, it stays the same pitch even though the tempo changes, i.e. the tone is maintained but the speed changes. With this button off, hopefully you can hear that the tone was raised as well as the tempo. This means that it's detuned. Songs go out of tune when you change the speed unless you have master tempo on. So you can use it for special effects, but generally we like to keep that on.